Good day, everyone. Welcome to another webinar. I was supposed to do this one for the month of June at the beginning, but yeah, I had a virus on my PC. Been trying to fix it, and yeah, eventually I got everything sorted. So, with that said, I think it's a good thing that it didn't happen because a lot of things were just not making sense in the market. But now, um, with FOMC having been done today, um, it has brought some clarity on what's happening to the market for me, right? So this is not trading advice. This is me showing you um, what I'm looking for, my trading journey. So not giving you trading advice. I'm just showing you how I look at the market for myself. Um, okay, let's get straight to it, right? I don't want this video to be long. Look, guys, I can show you setups. I can, you know, a lot of people know how to analyze the market, right? Cool. Everybody's a artist, right? But an important factor is trading your setup. You understand? An important factor is trading your setup. So, uh, one thing you mustn't do, you must choose your top four pairs for a week, stick to them, right? Because jumping around, maybe you chose your two pairs that you're gonna trade. Then you jump around because you saw someone trading another pair on social media and making a lot of money. Then you know that thing, you don't know what he's planning there. Then you're gonna jump into it and then you're gonna destroy your capital. So it's important to stick to your pairs. If you can stick to those four pairs or five pairs for the month, it's a good thing. You understand? It is a good thing. It's better than just keep on searching for different pairs every time. So you will perfect those pairs and you will make money out of those pairs. So what I'm trying to say is, yes, I'll show you the setups, and my setups probably last a month. In a month, they hit the targets. So if you just stick to those setups and just go in that direction, don't buy this pair today, next week, sell that pair. No. If I'm saying it's a sell for the month, it's a sell for the month. You focus on selling that pair for the whole month. You look for perfect entries to sell that pair if it's a sell for the month. All right. So continuing the direction for a month. Don't buy today, sell tomorrow. Because it's like the waves on the ocean. If you're a surfer and you are getting into those waves, right? Obviously the waves are coming against you, you know. At any time they can push you, back to the back, where you started, to the beach. So, but when you've gotten to the waves and you are surfing on the waves, you are surfing with it. So nothing is resisting them against you. So always go with the trend. That's why I'm saying don't buy today, sell today, tomorrow. Buy today, sell tomorrow. If it's a sell for the month, focus on sells for the month. Okay, so I've spoken enough. Let's get straight to the charts. Okay, cool. So I'm focusing on these pairs, one gold, USD CAD, GBP, JPY, maybe USD ZAR. Then these ones are just. So I I place my pairs in the one with the highest probability to work out, the highest one to focus on, to the lowest. You understand? So I've analyzed all of these, but probably I'll focus on these four. So let's start on it, right? Cool. Um, I like to analyzing DXY first. So what am I seeing on dollar index? It's been holding this resistance, right? It's been holding this resistance every time it comes here. So I drew this and said it broke out of here. That was a breakout. I analyzed and said it will retest, and it did. So maybe people will say, really? Did you really? Let me show you now. Where's that pair? Dollar index. Yes, there is it. So this is what I analyzed. See, it was moving in this channel. It broke out of here. After breakout, it must come retest. Then it retested there. Then it dropped, right? So I'm waiting to see what's going to happen there. It hasn't broken out of that trend. So once it breaks out of here, what I'm waiting for, breakout, retest. Once it comes retest, that's the perfect time to enter. So I must be patient, right? Um, so I must be patient with it. Okay, cool. So yeah, so I'm looking for that to happen. Okay, I think the internet is just slow. My drawing is coming through. But yeah, I'm waiting for price to break, but it's coming anyway. With that said, let's just check this in the meantime. So there's a whole lot of USD news today that pushed the market in the direction that you're expecting, a change in market. Right, cool. Another thing I wanted you all to know, just FYI, is the market is about to slow down because it's becoming summer in Europe. So when it's summer in Europe, what happens? People go on holidays and even the banks go on holidays. And that's why the market will be slow between July and August. So from now, like 20th, they're preparing for the holidays. Then from July, they're on holiday. And August, the banks are on holiday. So we just check here. Europe summer holidays. So the summer break will be in June, July, August. So probably the market will start, so market is going to be slow. It's going to start slowing down. You'll see a lot of ranging. So with that said, don't be frustrated. It's part of what happens when it's summer holidays. This is always happening every year, all the time, you know. So there's less volatility. So just be aware that the market will frustrate you and be slow because it's going to be summer holidays soon, and the bank's also going to be on summer holiday. So between this time, the market is low. Okay, let me check if this has come back. It hasn't. Oh my, what is happening? Just refresh. Okay, yeah. Guess I needed to do that. Apologies for wasting your time. So we are here, keeps on resisting here, but this time I'm expecting a breakout. It's been holding too many times. And one thing about the ceiling, when it's being knocked on too many times, price will break it. So I'm expecting a break, retest. So I'm waiting for uh, I'm waiting for this to happen. Breakout, come back, retest, and push. So I'm looking for dollar bulls for this one, right? Okay, cool. DXY. Anyway, so let's go back to pairs, the important pairs that I'm looking at, right? Don't want to waste time. So price was playing in this channel, right? It broke out right here. That was the breakout zone. Where's that arrow? Price broke out of here and then came and retested here, right? So price was playing in this trend line, broke out of here. I love the retest. Retest means we're going higher. Cool. So price went up. We expected buys there. It did buy, and I predicted that it will happen. If you don't believe me, just gonna go there, show you the analysis quickly. Where's that gold? Yeah, there's it. Predicted that move, right? That it's gonna buy there. And yeah, from where I said it's gonna buy it, bought, went straight up. So yeah. Uh, so you can follow me on TradingView. You'll get my analysis for free. Anyway, so like we were speaking, I don't wanna waste time. I saw that breakout retest going up, right? Now, price obviously has to pull back before it pushes higher. So this zone for me is a buy zone. It's my next buy zone. And the reason I'm going to show you now why I'm going to buy in this zone for price to go further up, right? I'm going to put it there. Stop loss just there, 61.8. So, right, I fibbed this bullish move. So this is telling me, you know, it retracts back to 50 and 61.8 between the zone. This is where I expect price to bounce and now continue the move up, right? Cool. So with that said, um, why the zone is key for me is this moving average. I trust it, because price broke out of there, it retested there. So price is at that 61.8, 50 at 61.8 turning zone, plus the moving average is holding price as support. So this is a good zone to buy. So I'm gonna buy this. And yeah, it looks good for bullish momentum. Very good entry. Perfect early entry. Cool. Next one, USD CAD. I've been looking for a while. I've been waiting for it to change direction. When price wants to change direction, might take a while, might sit there before changing completely. I've been waiting for it. I expected it there. It's been taking 1, 2, 3 days. It went a little bit lower than expected. But now I've got that, we would call that a morning star. It's the evening. Yeah, it's a morning star. Morning star, sorry. That's a big bullish candle showing now that momentum is to the upside. So that was a 5-wave move down. I'm expecting that APC up. And yes, I've been seeing support on this trend line. So I was expecting that support to hold. Went a little bit lower, but it's coming back up. So this maybe was just a stop hunt. But yeah. So USD CAD early entries to buy. So I'm telling you, for the whole month, this could take like a month to get there. So as much as this could take like 2 weeks maybe to get there, probably. But this one is a long-term trade to buy USD CAD. So I'm only looking for buys. Every time it retraces, I'm looking for the perfect entry to buy. So yes, like I said, everyone can analyze, but the problem is people with entries struggle to get the perfect entries too. So this is why on Trading Empire, there is a mentorship program. If you want one-on-one, all the contacts are there. So I teach you how to get those entries anyway. So I'm looking for that entry there, gold. Now I've got those two analysis. Third pair, GBP, JPY, I've been waiting for it to turn, right? It's like how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days, and then after 4 days, now it's starting to show those bearish momentum. So early entry. I'm not trading in the middle of nowhere. Starting at weight starting. That's a sell. USDs it's been sitting in this channel. Been waiting to see what's going to happen if it comes to the support. It did hold support, pushing to the upside. So predicted from here. I'm expecting it since it broke out. Like I like breakout and retest. So that was the channel. It broke out of there. Must come back to retest. Okay. So those are the pairs that I'm focused on. Those are the main pairs that I'm focused on. Probably for the next 30 days, I'll be focused on those ones. If you like Ethereum, I'm seeing sells, right? I'm seeing sell momentum there. It's expected it to turn. It did turn, but obviously stop and everything happens. NZD USD, I've been predicting that it's gonna come here, and bounce there and go up. So it's been from the entry. I'm waiting for it to come and hit there. So I don't like trading in the middle of nowhere, but just letting you know that that trade is a bullish one. Now the indices, I'm predicting it's in a sell momentum, bearish momentum. From there, I'm expecting price to come at least here. The Nasdaq, it's at the top there. It should turn. I'm expecting a turn. Definitely expecting a turn in this zone. So I'm waiting for it. I'm being patient. But yeah, that's it. I don't want to analyze all those things. Focus on these. These will pay as long as you follow the direction. So if I'm saying a sell till it hit, look for entries in the directions of these pairs. So focus on those four. If you like indices, you know that I'm looking for bearish momentum there and Ethereum. So, but these are the four ones that are in key zones that's gonna pay. So don't forget also, it's Euro holidays. That's why market will be slowing down. Don't be frustrated. It's what happens. You just have to relax and understand what's happening. So doesn't mean you can't make money, but I'm just saying it's gonna slow down a bit. Okay, so guys, yeah, that's it from me. I'm gonna do a video soon again, since I'm like 20 days late, so I will try and do more often. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and good luck.